Hi everyone, Robert DeLaurentis pilot, and we just replaced our second ferry tank in the Citizen of the World here. We had one in that burst in Dakar. We took that out and then we used the number 2 ferry tank in its place, and when we fueled that, it also burst. So in the meantime, we had sent that first tank out to be repaired. It came back. Today we put it in, which was a lot of work. And my plan is to use that number 2 ferry tank as the number 1. And then my number 5 fuel bladder, which is inside the passenger compartment, will also carry fuel on my way over the North Pole. I have some biofuels in there now, which I'll switch to when the time comes, but it's been pretty tricky. We think that the number 1 and 2 tanks that have burst were weakened when I misaligned some valves. So anyway, this one that's in there now, we sanded off the seams, re-welded it, and then tested it with some air pressure. So we think we've got a good seal. We'll see how it goes, but if it was not for my help here in Sweden, MTS Aviation, and my buddy Johan, his brother Anders, and Axel, this would not be possible. It was about 3-4 hours work for 3 people. So anyway, folks, I'll let you know how it goes. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, these are the guys that helped me with the ferry tanks on the Citizen of the World. We took out the number 1 and number 2, sent the number 1 out to be fixed, and without their help, I couldn't have done it. This is Helmut here next to me. He runs MTS, MTS Aviation, the FBO here in Malmo.
The best FBO.
The best FBO. And then we've got Anders, who is Johan's brother on the far side here. And of course, Johan, who did the Cape to Cape flight in his Gypsy Moth. All right, everybody.
Have a real nice Sunday.
All right, bye-bye.